Hi, I'm CBLGH and I want to show a small project that I made that I'm calling sector7557. So let's start it. Let's see. Oops, no, this one instead. Yeah. So yeah, you can do lots of stuff in it. Basically it's a collaborative peer-to-peer mod that's built on top of Cabal. And the idea is basically that you're a walker. You can walk all around, of course. You can chat with people. But importantly, you can create the world together with other people. And that's kind of the entire premise. So, you walk by pressing the arrow keys. And you can you can create these kind of tiles by pressing keys on your keyboard to select them. Right now I'm using everything that's not an alphanumerical because I thought it would be more fun to have kind of abstract characters. So once you've selected a thing, you just press W, A, S or D for the direction to place them, so W, A, S, D. So I can't walk out of this right now because some characters are passable and others just exist in the world and are kind of like walls. To see which ones those are, you can type legend. So let's get out of here by pressing the dot character and break ourselves out. One thing you can do is you can kind of, on passable tiles, so the tile that you're standing on, you can create a description for it. Ye old tile. So when someone else steps on it, the description will be shown. So you can do kind of stuff like a poem. Which is read depending on the direction people walk through it, or just stuff like if you make a small dungeon or whatever, and you create a door up, and then you see that comes off. Kind of creates a flavor. Of course, we're not just stuck to this screen, we can just continue walking around. And each screen that you see is kind of a map, and the world is made out of these sectors. And you can name a sector using a sector. And if you want to do stuff like make the world seem a bit more void, you could just take a space character and start kind of erasing basically the world, which can give it a bit more flavor. You can choose how you look as well, so if you want to be the default app character, like that. If you want to, so this works with any kind of character. If you type something that's longer, it'll be interpreted as one of the colors, so yellow. I like to be cyan. Oh. As such. And is there anything else? Yeah, so one interesting thing is that of course you can, this is built on top of Cabal, and all of these chat messages are actually being sent in as a Cabal message. So if we kind of, let's see if we can do this. So you can kind of join the address that the mod is on. And then you join the mod channel, and you can see stuff being sent in there. So you can kind of chat back and forth with people in the mod through using one of the Cabal's clients, which is really cool, I think. So yeah, I think that's kind of the basics of this. You can set the foreground for colors, for tile colors, as well as the background. Yeah, I'm happy to release this and kind of see if people what I'll make with it. Cool. Have a good one.